To begin, we start by making the red enchilada sauce. Start with 2 tablespoons of oil and a spoonful of cornstarch. Mix together until it turns into a creamy texture. Now add in about 4 tablespoons of red chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cumin. Mix the spice blend together and fry until fragrant. Add in about 2 cups of stock or a bouillon cube with 2 cups of hot water. Mix together and cook on medium heat until it becomes thick or to your desired consistency. Keep stirring to avoid burning at the bottom. Now your sauce should be done. In a hot pan, add in oil on medium-high heat. Add in a pound of ground beef, or you can use any ground meat that you want. Add in salt and pepper for taste. Fry for about a few minutes, stirring frequently to avoid the beef from boiling. Add chopped onion and garlic. Fry until it's translucent. Add in a teaspoon of cumin for taste. After a few minutes, add in a quarter of the red enchilada sauce. Mix and cook for a few minutes. To form your enchiladas, get a lightly toasted tortilla, line it up with a few spoonfuls of beef, and top it off with some Gouda cheese. Line it on a baking tray. If you want more cheese, add more cheese. Don't be afraid, guys. Now add in the rest of the enchilada sauce on top of the tortillas. Top it off with a mixture of cheddar and Gouda cheese, or a Mexican cheese mix, which I couldn't find in my region. Bake for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Then your beef enchiladas will be ready. Enjoy with your family and friends. If you have any suggestions, drop them down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy. Great.